I'm going to the Balbina Dam in Brazil, a place I've fished before. I came here 10 years ago because this was a very good place to catch piranhas.
And there it is.
But I'm now told that, you really struggle to catch anything at all. So I want to find out why that is. I'm hoping that Bruce Forsberg, a US-born dam expert who now lives in Brazil, will be able to help me. He's studied what has happened to fish numbers here since the forest was flooded to create the dam reservoir over 25 years ago.
For about 10 to 15 years, fish production went up because it was fueled by all the nutrients and organic matter when you submerge that forest. Then over time, those nutrients were used up, and then the fish levels went down.
Bruce claims that as well as affecting the fish, flooding the forest here has had another unforeseen impact. He has been measuring greenhouse gas emissions from the reservoir, and his results, he says, seriously question the green credentials of this type of power generation.
There we go. Yeah, it's going up. There we go.
As soon as that is on the water and it's detecting gases coming out of the water, and you've got a flat line, and then look at that, it's really climbing. The results show high levels of two greenhouse gases, carbon dioxide and the far more damaging methane. And this is coming off 24 hours a day?
Yes.
So based on these measurements that you're doing, you can put all that together and say that over the course of a year, how much methane, how much carbon dioxide is being produced by this?
It's about the same order of magnitude as all the gases emitted by fossil fuel combustion in a large city like Sao Paulo.
One reservoir creating the same greenhouse gas emissions as a city of 12 million people is an extraordinary finding. And all this from the decomposition of forest that before flooding produced vital oxygen. Bruce told me there are hundreds of dams planned or being built in the Amazon basin. Thanks in part to his work, many future projects in Brazil will now avoid flooding large areas of forest. But what about the effects of all these dams on migratory fish?